Hello. It is Thursday. Bet you thought I was going to say Wednesday, but I didn't. I have been out all day. It's now 3:15, and today was shopping day. So we went to like every store in the world today, or so it seemed, and I was on the hunt for Frankenberry cereal, and every store that I went to, except the very last one, didn't have it. So started off around 10 this morning at Sam's Club, and let's see. Oh, they grouped it. Okay. The girls set this up, or Kristen set it up. Why? No wonder why she did a good job. Maddie usually just... Kristen set it up right. Alright, so Sam's Club, we got some bananas. We got some sourdough here. I got some of the Simply Naked Doritos for Shandy. I got Mark's CoQ10. I had it on sale, $5 off. I got some baked Lay's potato chips. Dawn Platinum. I love this, and I love the Dawn spray as well. It's a real 1-2 punch for dishes and pots and pans. I think that's all that I got it. Oh, and Maddie got a case of seltzer, and she wasn't even there. How about that? So then, let's see, where did we... Oh, we went to TJ Maxx after Sam's Club. Sorry, my brain's not working. I have literally been... I used up all of my gas. My gas light came on just as I was getting home. I used up all of my gas today shopping. It was less than half a tank when I started, so don't freak out. At TJ Maxx, I got some of this garlic mashed potato seasoning, which I'm sure Mark will be super happy about, and it's vegan. It uses vegan chicken broth and, you know, yeast and turmeric and garlic and other kind of seasonings. I love TJ Maxx for the seasonings. I just saw a video, I can't remember the guy's name. His first name was Andrew. Is it Andrew Yallo? He does all those food challenges, and I think he ate only from TJ Maxx for the entire day. I didn't make it through the whole video yet, but sounds like a lot of fun. And I think he's mostly vegan, if not fully vegan. I also picked up this, ooh, look at that, it's got sparklies in it. I didn't even realize how many sparkles it has in it. This is Sand and Fog, and it's Sol Crush. And Sol has been my nickname, spelled like that, S-O-L. Oh, it's not focusing. Growing up, that's what all my sibs call me. This is Shimmer Hair and Body Perfume, inspired on the coast, on the California coast. So, oh, it smells so good. They had a lot of Sand and Fog, but this one smelled really good to me. It smells kind of clean, fresh, like pear maybe. I want to say like freesia. I could just be making all this up, but it smells really good, and it's got the shimmer for the summertime. Summer hair. You could have sparkle any time of year. So that's all that I got at TJ Maxx, and the line was incredible. Everybody's doing the back-to-school-y shopping, so I didn't really buy a lot today in general. I'm sure Mark will differ with me. But after that, I was going to go to the dollar store to see if they had the new blanket yarns that they were saying that they had, but we didn't have time. We were already running late. So that'll be for another day. After that, we went to Michael's, and we almost completely struck out at Michael's. We only got frames. I got these frames. Hanley had sent us some prints that I wanted to organize and put in there from a print vending machine that were super cool. So I want to frame those and put them in there so I can enjoy them. Yeah, that's all that we got at Michael's. They had a lot of clearance, but nothing that I wanted. And they didn't have what Maddie wanted at all. She wanted cinnamon sticks and orange blanket yarn. They didn't have it. They were all out. So then after that, oh God, we went to Bath and Body because Kristen had a bunch of coupons. Kristen's the coupon queen, apparently. The only thing that I got at Bath and Body, and I was lucky enough to use her 25% off coupon, they had the wallflowers on sale for $3.50 each, so that's a really good price if you're familiar with Bath and Body. So I only got 3. I love the blue and green and the like almost clear scents because they don't make me want to puke. This is my new favorite, Moonlit Goddess. I smelled the tester for this and it was just amazing. Got 2 of those, 2 Moonlit Goddess and one of my old standby favorites, Sweater Weather. Love that. Uh-oh, I'm gonna break everything. I should put this back where it was. Okay. Then after that feels wet. Is it leaking? No, it doesn't smell. Okay. After that, we went to Aldi. And at Aldi, they had a lot of markdowns for the end of the season. I got this for half price. This is one of those like bog bag knockoffs. Maybe Sean D would like this. I don't know. Keep his papers in here. And it won't get destroyed. Do you like this? Yeah? You can put your papers in there? He said, okay. So it was like $7.50 because it was normally like $15. Okay, so we have a winner. I also got some frozen broccoli, the vegetarian pizza cheese, the vegan pizza cheese. I got Maddie some bananas. I got some salsa. Got some peanut butter cookies. Tonight is the 1000th episode of Big Brother, and we will be celebrating with dirty sips and peanut butter cookies. They also had these laundry basket deodorizers marked down. I love these. These are the knockoff, but I have the actual ones of these from Norwex, which were probably like 10 times the price of what I paid for these. And I have these in the fridge. So these are charcoal bags in like burlap. And it absorbs odors. You can put them in closets. You can put them in drawers. I have some in the fridge. After about a month, it loses its effectiveness. So you take it out and you put it in the sunlight for like an hour and it recharges it. And they work great. They really do. So I got two 2-packs. Because you get a big one and a small one in each one. And they had fun colors too. They had a bunch. I don't think people realize how good these are. They're really good. What else did I get? Oh, I got Lammy a little cat tree with a flower on it. It's so cute. I'll have to put that together later. She really loves being elevated in like a basket situation. So, got that. Then, I was kind of hoping that Sean requested Frankenberry cereal, didn't you? Yes. So, I was hoping that Aldi was going to have it, because sometimes they have seasonal stuff like that for the holidays. Maybe they just didn't get it in yet. I could have sworn they had it last year, because I wanted to save a trip. Well, right across the street from Aldi is ShopRite. And I know the ShopRite that we normally go to, not near our house, had it. And I asked him, what cereals do you want? And he said he wanted Count Chocula and he wanted Blueberry. So I got him those 2 and I said, are you sure you don't want the Frankenberry? And he said, no, I don't want it. Well, surprise, surprise, he wants it now. I went there, Kristen waited in the car for me. I walked over the whole front of that store, I couldn't find it anywhere. I think now in retrospect I just didn't see it. Because that is a pretty big store. I find it hard to believe that they didn't have it. So I walked out empty-handed and I thought, oh, maybe Target has it. Maybe I could have it like Instacarted over or something because like it's getting so late now. It's pouring right now. I just walked in the door and picked up the camera. We didn't have a minute to spare when we got home. It opened up and now it's coming down heavy. But it's weird. It's almost like a sun shower too. So I think when it happens like that, it's not going to last long, but it's probably going to keep going because I think there's a tropical storm right now in the Atlantic. Yeah, and we're like not near the coast. We're not on the coast, but we're near the coast. All right. They didn't have it, so I had to go, and Target didn't have it at all. I guess they're not carrying it this year because they really tightened up their cereal regulations. They don't want anything with artificial colors or anything like that. Which I bet if I looked on the shelves, I could probably find some, but I did get this. I got this at the first shop, right? Because they were $3 off, and they were on sale for $9, so I got them for $6 each, which is really good. And I haven't been able to find those on sale lately. But then I had to run home and drop off all the stuff and go pick up Sean. And I was early, in fact, which was nice. I waited for a few minutes, and he showed up, and then I said, oh, let's try the ShopRite by Us and see if they have it, which is the junior ShopRite, the junior partner, Junior Bridal Suite. And I checked on the ShopRite website first to see if they had any in stock, and it said, yes, they carry it. It's in the front of the store. So I went, and sure enough, I walked across the front of the store, and they had a big display, and we got 4 boxes. And it was on sale to boot. It was $3.49 instead of $3.99. So we got 2 Frankenberries, we got 1 Count Chocula, and we got 1 Boo Berry. So Sean was very happy. He was actually super cooperative. He left all of his papers in the car because I didn't know what time it was going to start raining. So as we were coming out of ShopRite, I could feel a few drops, but it didn't start yet. And then I'm driving back home, and I see a couple of drops, nothing yet. As soon as I got out of the car, the drops started coming down, so we ran into the house, and thankfully we missed that because he would have been upset about that because he didn't have a bag for his papers today. But now everybody's waiting for me to have lunch at 3:30, 3:36. So I'm going to go and put my food away, have lunch, and then I'll be back to close the vlog because this was a weird week. A lot of stuff came up. So unfortunately, there's not a lot vlog content, which has kind of been par for the course lately, but we have so many other channels and videos and everything. It's almost impossible during Big Brother season, so I apologize again. I'll be back. Oh, hello.
Hi. Bubby.
What's going on?
Just finished up the Big Brother stream.
Oh boy, it's all happening, Sheena.
It's happening. I gotta go pack up the plushies in a minute for Saturday. Oh, Dad's here.
Sounds like, yeah, Daddy's home.
Come on in. What's up?
Oh, hi, Dad. I don't even know if I showed you, but whatever.
Bowie's so excited.
I'm losing my mind. Oh, it's Daddy's boy. Daddy's son.
Yes.
Hey, Daddy. Mom, kid.
Sean's watching Come From Away.
Yes, he's preparing for Sunday.
Yes.
Excited to see that show.
It looks really good.
It does, yeah.
And it's a true story. Mostly.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to it for sure.
Yeah. So, we're at the end of the vlog, even though we just begun. What?
What do you have to say for yourself?
My brain is dead.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Today's been a very long, busy, anxiety, trying to get everything done day, so...
It's a lot. I just keep reminding myself, got like a month left, and then it's going to be...
You're in the home stretch now, honey.
Yeah.
Yeah, then it's going to be crazy-ass market season.
Yeah, but that's more manageable.
Is
Than
it?
trying to do both.
I guess, but...
For me, yeah.
Well...
For me, it's a lot easier.
Yeah. We still have all the plushies to make and stuff, though.
Yeah, but I'll have time to actually work on them.
Okay.
Remember?
Yes. I don't know what's going on anymore.
Alright, well, do you have any shout-outs?
I do.
Okay.
There's nothing today, but for tomorrow, we have Jean Wagner.
Jean, happy birthday.
And Jean is 66 this year.
Nice.
And she's been retired for a whole year already.
Oh, okay.
So I hope she's living that good retiree life.
I know, absolutely.
I'm jealous. I wish I was retired.
Yeah, right.
Or at least semi-retired.
That'd be nice.
Yeah. But Jean, enjoy it. And, let's see, we also have Linda O on Saturday.
Oh, Linda, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Linda. Hope you're going to have a great weekend, a great birthday weekend. And I think that's all we have. So I hope our two lovely ladies are living their best day, week, month, year, lifetime of birthday happiness.
Absolutely. You know what we didn't get to talk about
I forgot
earlier?
to say day.
Oh, well, put it in there.
I thought that didn't sound right.
We didn't get to talk about Dolly Parton and Tim Curry.
I know.
'Cause we were vlogging those days.
Yeah. So, what I want to know is who's going to die next, because
Why would you say that?
bad things happen in threes. What? Oh, Hayden Panettiere. Yeah,
been
so that
tough.
is the three.
It's been really tough lately.
Okay, so we're off the hook.
It's been hitting hard. It's very sad. I mean, Tim Curry especially was like very special to us.
Very special.
Yeah.
I mean, very formative.
Yeah, for real. So,
I mean, you guys have enjoyed him your entire life.
yeah, that was really difficult. And
In
Dolly
various
Parton,
mediums. Who would ever have beef with Dolly?
nobody.
Right? She's like the most amazing, lighthearted,
Beloved.
yes. So like, I hope those two are bringing their sunshine to wherever they are.
Yeah, for sure. Alright, well, on that note.
Yeah. On
Yeah,
that note, we gotta get back to work.
Yeah.
But we're having dirty sips tonight.
Yay!
We're still gonna show the recipe, just not tonight. Because we don't have time.
No, we'll do it another time though.
Maybe Monday. Monday.
When are we gonna have time for that?
I'll do it.
Okay. You can do that.
Yeah.
Alright, well thanks for watching guys. This is dragging out.
Sorry.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. We hope you have a wonderful weekend.
Yeah.
And until next time,
Much love. Bye, everybody.
bye.